Hey guys, what's going on? We got Rebecca Ross here. She's part of the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program. She voluntarily is coming on to, do a testimonial. I'm going to ask her some questions, and she's, going to give you guys some feedback and her honest testimonial. So Rebecca, how long have you, been in the program?
I've been in the program since middle of February.
Okay, awesome. So we're in May, so close to 3 months,
Close to 3 months. Yeah.
close to three at your 2 month mark about
Yep.
a little
Yep.
bit less. Yeah. Okay, cool. When did you first discover, the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program?
Well, I've been following you on Instagram for over a year and just really enjoyed your Instagram, but also you were very knowledgeable, motivating, and inspiring. And for what I do and what on the side, I do a lot of personal finance mentoring. And it resonated with me with what you were saying. And I was looking to get into another avenue for investing. And
Mhm.
so, like I said, it's been about a year when I kind of came across what you were doing. And like I said, it resonated. It was something I was interested in doing. And I'm ready to retire and but I
Yeah,
need to offset that income, so
yeah.
definitely.
Awesome, awesome. So, what was like your drive in like joining the program? Like, what was your why?
Well, my why is that I was literally going to retire in 3 days.
Hmm.
My set retirement date was 3 days from now, and we had a situation where one of our investments had to be put on hold, and that was part of our income. And I'm ready to just do something else. I've been doing my job for 28 years. This is it's a different thing from what I'm used to doing. Uh, and again, I wanted to supplement my income and be able to not have to work, you know, 5 to 9 or
Yeah,
in my case, almost 24/7 at this point.
yeah.
So,
Got it. Okay. And what I guess you kind of answered this, but my next question was going to be like, what was the problem you were hoping to solve when coming into the program? But I think you already answered like supplementing your income,
yeah,
retiring. Okay,
right, right.
awesome. So so far, how has your experience been like in the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program?
It's been really, really great. It's informative. It is, your team is fantastic. They're knowledgeable, they're approachable, they're inspiring. They motivate you. They keep you interested. And I mean, I love the idea of that you've put in your program that there's deadlines, simple deadlines.
Yeah,
You have to get this done at this time. And but it's not like a rigid situation. It's just we need you to keep moving forward. And in situations like this where you're not going to see success immediately,
right.
you have to really work for it. Um, that's been really, really good. And I kind of work that way myself. The the Discord group that you have too, just the idea that everybody can network and
Mhm.
learn from each other, I think is a really fantastic thing. And it's a skill and a resource that you've done very good in monopolizing.
Thank
I
you.
guess that's the best word to
Yeah, I
say.
appreciate that. Thank you. Awesome. So, um, like during your experience, obviously, you're still in the program. What was the you
Mhm.
feel like you're enjoying the most and you're benefiting from the most?
Um, it's a great question. Well, one, I'm a little bit older probably than most of the folks that are doing this. Um, but I'm learning a lot about computers and Google and how to run a business online versus a business on the side.
Hmm.
And it is so it's and I enjoy learning. Anytime you can build skills and resources, and that's the best thing to do. Um, I'm enjoying the fact that it's not as scary as I thought it would be. It is scary because it's something I've never done before,
Right.
but that's okay because it's like riding a bike or riding a horse. You
Hmm.
get on, go ahead and move on. Um, but I've just enjoyed that. I've learned a lot, and I'm getting there. Like, I know every day is one day closer to the next sale, and one
Mm.
day closer to that opportunity to meet more people. And they learn from me as much as I learn from them. So,
Awesome. Awesome. What would you like tell someone who's considering joining, the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program?
well, one, I would say be realistic with yourself. Um, if you don't have the time, or maybe the mentality at this moment, really think about it. But if you're ready to take that next step, again, it's you have to dedicate your time to it. And there will be a lot more, it'll be easier later on because
Mhm.
everything will be in place. But I would say absolutely. And yeah, there will be, you gotta spend a little money to make a lot of money. So
Right.
you make sure you have your savings ready to go, that it's allocated to what you're going to be doing to build your store. But I would absolutely definitely take advantage of this opportunity. Don't be poor, don't pass over this opportunity regularly. Come on. No, it's a great, especially now in this day. I mean, I wish I was, 25 years ago, we didn't have this opportunity with
Yeah,
the internet
exactly.
now. You know, Laura's fantastic, folks. You're going to learn so much.
Yeah, that's what I tell people, they don't, I mean, years ago, 70s, 80s, 90s, even to early 2000s, like this opportunity wasn't there.
Not at all. Not at all.
Yeah. So, Rebecca, what do you feel about the program surprised you the most?
Um, when I go into a new endeavor, I try to prepare myself. So the surprises weren't really surprises.
Mhm.
Um, I anticipated there was a startup fee. I anticipated that I am going to have to put the time in. I already anticipated that, you know, it's not going to go the way I want it to go. It's going to go the way it's supposed to go.
Right.
And I guess I take it back. I think the biggest shock or biggest surprise is that I didn't have a niche. I didn't have um, kind of that funnel to go where I needed to be. And quite literally overnight, my niche was hit, and I'm doing outdoor gear for women primarily.
Mhm.
And literally earlier this week, I had a 501(c)(3) contact me from Denver. They're going to be at a big event, and
Oh,
we're looking
nice.
for sponsors. Yeah, so I don't have any money. It's a new
Awesome.
startup, but they're willing to advertise for free for me at this big, huge event. And I was like, absolutely, let's help you guys out. We're looking for a 501(c)(3) to help donate. So again, I think that's the biggest surprise, is the networking. It's
Yeah.
amazing how many people have come out. So
Awesome. That's super cool. Congrats on that for
yeah,
sure.
well, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, for sure. So did you face any unexpected curveballs when, you know, implementing the strategies that you've learned? And if so, how did our team help you overcome those challenges?
I think for me, it's just trying to understand how, I'm doing the Google side of the selling, and just trying to understand Google and the background of, the merchant center and the
Mhm.
ads and such. And, you get put in Google jail, as they call it. And how do you get out of that? And Dominic and Tamar's my mentor here. But Dom has been just, he's so patient. He's just, walks you through everything. He's never in a hurry. And I've sat in one meeting that was 2.5 hours long, and I think I was the last person to get called on. And I was willing to sit for 2.5 hours just because the way he taught and explained, um, it was worth it. For me, my time is short. I have a busy, busy job, and I have the meeting going on the side, and doing the other meeting on, with the boss on the other side. But no, like I said, your team is they are really great at helping you through whatever issues or questions or you just don't get it, they're going to walk you through everything.
Awesome. Is there anything else, Rebecca, you'd like others to know about the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program?
You know, look, if you're here and you're watching this, it's because you've already seen Laura and you're already inspired and you are very interested, and that means you're an invested person. Um, take advantage of this opportunity. If you're willing to put the time and the effort in, it will reward you. Absolutely.
Awesome. That's all the questions I had. I don't know if you just, want to add anything or I forgot to ask something.